Well, the Northeast's first significant snowfall of the year caused chaos across the region, shuttering schools and stranding air travelers. The New York City area got more than 9 inches of snow, and Boston schools were forced to close after getting nearly a foot. Meanwhile, snow turning to rain across the Pacific Northwest caused flooding across several communities in Lewis County, Washington. CBS's Nancy Chen is in hard-hit Boston tonight. Good evening, Nancy.
And Norah, good evening to you. This was one of the latest arrivals for the first snow of the season. This storm was fast moving, but it was powerful, dumping more than a foot of snow in parts of New England.
With snow blanketing the landscape, some saw beauty, others saw work.
It's going to be pretty easy to remove. It's just going to take a little bit of time, and we're going to have to get the machine out for sure.
In hard-hit Massachusetts, the state's Department of Transportation worked to keep up, deploying more than 2,500 pieces of equipment to clear snow and ice off roads.
I'm out here if it's 1 inch, 36 inches, or 96 inches.
Slick highways turned deadly. The driver of this pickup was killed after careening off the road. The storm system got its start yesterday, stranding drivers on this Kentucky highway.
When cars start parking and shutting down on the interstate, you know that's not great.
By this morning, it was the second storm in a week for the Virginia, D.C. area, while in New York City, 9 inches of snow made for a dangerous morning commute. Still, public schools remained open. But airports did grind to a halt across the country. More than 6,000 flights were canceled or delayed, the majority due to weather.
I don't mind waiting, 6 hours, 7 hours in an airport if it can get me home tonight.
Out west in Washington state, heavy rain and snow fell across the Puget Sound. Rising floodwaters closed a 20-mile stretch of a major interstate, and there were at least 21 water rescues. The storm in the east came just as several states were experiencing a critical shortage of snowplow drivers.
Has the snowplow industry faced something like this before?
I don't think so.
Massachusetts contractor Bill French says rising costs, supply chain issues for vehicle parts, and a labor shortage worsened by COVID have made his work challenging.
COVID's obviously affected everybody. Even if you have equipment ready, there's always the ambiguity of who's going to be able to work and who isn't. It's kind of a perfect storm.
And a rapid cleanup is critical here because a band of cold air, frigid air, is expected to move into this area, turning those wet and slushy roads into ice overnight, with cold temperatures expected to last into tomorrow and possibly early Sunday, Norah.
That ice is scary. All right, Nancy Chen, thank you.